If WhatsApp keeps freezing or lagging on your iPhone, then this video will help you to fix it. This usually happens due to low storage, outdated app or iOS versions, background restrictions or temporary software glitches. So let's go through the best solutions to stop WhatsApp from freezing. Solution 1. Restart WhatsApp and your iPhone. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold to see all open apps. Find WhatsApp and swipe it up. Close it. Reopen WhatsApp and see if it runs smoothly. Now, restart your iPhone as well. You can restart by pressing and quickly releasing the volume up button, then the down button. And quickly after that press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. After restarting, check your issue again. Solution 2. Clear iPhone storage. Go to settings, find and open general, go to iPhone storage. From here, check how much free space you have. If your storage is almost full, delete unused app, photos or videos. WhatsApp needs free storage to run properly. Solution 3. Update WhatsApp. Open the App Store, search for WhatsApp. Now, from the search result, see if your WhatsApp has any updates available. If you do, then make sure to update. Outdated versions often cause freezing or crashing. Solution 4. Reinstall WhatsApp. Go to your home screen, tap and hold WhatsApp. Now find the remove app options and tap on it. Choose delete and confirm your choice. Then you can download it again from the App Store. Sign back in with your phone number. And remember that before deleting, make sure your chats are backed up to iCloud, because after deleting, these may be disappear. So, these are the fixes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone and WhatsApp fixes. And comment below which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.